Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create SMW letters logo in shield shape. At first, take a polygon, then rotate it. Now select down's 3 anchor point with direct selection tool and move down. Now select upper anchor point and move little bit down. Now select this 2 anchor point, then adjust with direct selection tool. As same upper anchor point also. Now remove the fill color and add stock. Now select the shield and go to Object, then Path, then Offset Path. Adjust the pixel to minus, click OK. Now add a line vertically. Then from Transform, rotate it to 90 degrees and copy it. Now select all, go to Object, then Expand. Now add 2 rectangle for cut the SWM shape. Now select all, then select Shape Builder Tools, then cut the extra object by pressing Alt key. Delete extra lines, select all and make Unite. Add color. Logo is ready. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more tutorial like this.